Hi, Mr. Cinco here and welcome to my different social media account. And today's video or today's content, this is our first 16,000 oil change of our Xrm 125. And of course, this is the new packaging of our motor oil or engine oil. And this is 0.8 liter. And now, we already have our DIY oil pan and we covered it with this plastic so that the oil will not be messy, and we will remove now the oil plug. So the trick here is you will push it forward, and then in the left side of this motorbike, so for instance this one, as you place the number 17 wrench, we will push it forward and remove the drain oil plug. We will wait for several minutes to drain the oil from the engine, and as we wait for it, we will wipe this oil out from our bolt. And then currently this is the mileage of our Xrm 125. This variant is motored, so this is 15,988. Alright, this is now the part 2 of our oil change. Now we will return this drain oil plug. First we will wipe the oil, excess oil from this area. Then afterwards we will return this drain bolt. As we performed a while ago, as we open this, we pushing it forward, and this time we will pull it backward. So from here, and then let's get back it here. Wait to make it sure. As we return this, it should be smooth to avoid the lost thread. Okay, observe. This is now the finale. We will lock the drain bolt. Okay, 1, ready, and 2, and 3, and 4. Final. Yes. Okay, here. Now we will be pouring now this oil. Take note, this oil is 10W30SL 0.8 liter. It means it's brand new. You can hear the sounds. And now we will remove the dipstick here, and we will be pouring this brand new oil. Wait, we have to see to it that we remove this aluminum foil. There we go. This is from start to finish video of pouring the oil of this Xrm 125. And then much better if your hands is not shaking, to see to it that all the oil was already filled in here. This is now the last drop of this oil. I want you to look here. We still have a few minutes. Alright, we will wait for the last drop. Alright, and now we will reinstall the oil dipstick. This is the finale. Now we will tighten it using the pliers, and we will make some code here. This straight line supposedly to be aligned here in this corner. This is my style. It's up to you if you will adapt it or not. Okay, one more. Look here. This is the corner of this oil dipstick here. We will align it. Okay, we will align it one more. Okay, done. And then after that, this one will serve as a lock. We will attach this sticker. Look here, I already cut it out, this sticker, and we will attach it here. Sign as our lock. If somebody will open this up, we would be able to be notified. This is the hardest part, to remove this sticker, because this is very sticky. Should be a little more patient here. Okay, here we go. So the tip of the sticker, we will attach it here and extend and pull. Done. Look here. Alright, and if you wish to support our channel, you may do so by hitting the notification bell rather, so that you will be updated of our upcoming motorcycle video. Once again, this is Maestro 5, and God bless everyone.